SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to adjust the auto lock screen timeout period on your iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you want to change the amount of time that your iPhone waits before it locks automatically, then you can change a setting called auto lock. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select Display and Brightness, and then you can scroll down again and choose the auto lock option here. Note that you may not see the never option depending on the current settings on your phone and whether or not you have something like low power mode enabled. With that being said, if you want to change the screen timeout period, you can just choose one of these options here, and then that's the amount of time that your iPhone will wait before it locks the screen after a period of inactivity.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.